How to make calls using Wi-Fi on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll down to the end. Then, tap on Apps. Once you are in, you see a list of applications over here. From here, you need to select the phone app. Tap on it. Here, you need to scroll all the way down to the Wi-Fi calling option. Then, toggle on the option here. Read the instructions carefully and tap on Enable. Once you have enabled it, you can make and receive calls over Wi-Fi with your service provider account. Now, bring the control center by swiping down. Tap on this shortcut. Make sure you have a secure Wi-Fi connection with your iPhone. Now you can easily make calls with your Wi-Fi. So by following these simple steps, you can easily make calls using Wi-Fi on your iPhone.